Hello and welcome to Dungeons & Dining with me, the Dragon, Stell Rice. In this episode, I'm going to show y'all how to make my own recipe of fried chicken. Fried chicken is the first food that really broke me out of my cooking shell. So I think it is the most appropriate dish to do for my first episode of this show. So, let's get started. So, to begin with, let's shed the skin in 3, 2, bam! Ew, human skin. So for our prep, we're going to need ourselves 8 to 12 cuts of chicken, flour and cornstarch, lime juice, eggs, and my own concoction of chicken seasoning. For a single batch's worth, you'll need 2 tablespoons Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon each of garlic salt and Cajun seasoning, and half a tablespoon's worth of paprika, cayenne pepper, sage, basil, oregano, celery salt, and regular pepper. Fill about 1/3 of a pan's worth of oil and set the heat to that pan to about medium-low to medium heat. Now that we have that heating up, let's get to our egg wash. We're going to need 2 eggs as well as half a cup of half and half and a tablespoon's worth of lime juice. Now for you fried chicken aficionados out there, I have to disagree with you on something. I do not prefer buttermilk as the base of my egg wash. That's because I feel like buttermilk fried chickens taste like buttermilk and less like the seasonings you put in it. So with that in mind, I want my seasonings to shine the most, so I'm using half and half instead, but making up for the lack of acidity with lime juice. So there you have it. We're going to mix that up really good, and now let's get to our breading. That's going to consist of a cup's worth each of flour and cornstarch. And with both of these ready, add 6 tablespoons worth of our seasoning to the breading and 3 tablespoons worth of the seasoning to the wash. Using the remaining seasoning, we're going to make a dry brine for our chicken by rubbing it all into there. Look at my hands, all messy. Now be sure to have everything near the oil so you don't make too much of a mess. Dip your raw chicken into first the egg wash, into the breading, and then straight into the oil. I recommend having all the skin side down. Fry your chicken on the first side 15 minutes first, and then flip it over for another 5 minutes. And your chicken should be done when it's golden brown or 165 degrees internally. After the chicken is done cooking, put it on a plate, mat it with paper towel, let them all dry out, top them with salt, and there you have it, ready and finished fried chicken. Now look at all of this. Doesn't that look delicious? I think it's time for me to change back. 1, 2, 3, bam! Ah yes, I'm a dragon again. And there you have it, my own version of fried chicken. The great thing about fried chicken is the fact that you can customize it however you wish. Add things in, add things out, marinate things, put things on the chicken after it's done and before. As you can see, this dish is very near and dear to me, as it is the one that really opened my eyes to the world of flavors out there that can be experienced with even the same singular food. Thank you for watching, folks. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time in my dungeon.